my peeps, back at it again, doing what we do best, cooking with Chef Bouka. So today we say we give you an outdoor segment, you know what I say? Like the orange tree run on the Wakaso, that we say we're going to do. So today we decided that we're going to give you some different kind of stuff outdoor, not turning on the grill. I got my cast iron pot right here. I'm going to get into that part. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to give you some steaks and potato outdoor, my cast iron pot, seasoned well, nice flavor. Check out my ingredients, okay? So alright, it's a little bit of grapeseed oil right here. I got a little bit of coconut oil right here. I got some black pepper grind. I got some kosher salt right here. You know, in my cast iron pot right here, real heavy. I got rosemary, I got garlic, I got spring onion, and I got a little bit of allspice in there just for the flavor. So what I'm going to do with this now, I'm going to get into, put a little bit of grapeseed oil, a little bit of coconut oil in there. I'm going to get it hot. I'm going to sear these off, season them properly. I got some blanched potato which I'm going to smash and sear them off and get them together, yeah? I got some asparagus down here too, which we're just going to, you know, baby asparagus, we're just going to set them together, get them going. We're going to see what we're going to do, alright? So what we're going to do now, let me start seasoning these up. I got a special seasoning right here, a mixed blend in here. You can see that. Mix, nice. If you want the mixture, let me know. A little bit of onion powder, a little bit of, you know, everything in there. I got bay leaf, pepper, you know what I say? A little bit of onion, a little bit of fennel mix. I just buy them dry, buzz it in my blender, and get it to be like that. So that's what we're going to work with right now. So let me turn on my fire, get my fire going, get everything warm up. We're going to finish it with a little Himalayan kosher salt as well. Alright? This for the potato. Alright? So let's get and start seasoning this up right now while the pot is getting hot. Okay? I'm just going to season one side so you guys see. And don't be cheap with the salt. These are a big piece of meat, yeah? These are, I think, pound and a half pieces. I asked them for the bigger piece, and these are prime rib, yeah? But not the bone-in one. Or, no, ribeye, not prime rib. Ribeye. Same prime rib. Alright? Yeah. Seasoning. Nice amount of seasoning. Flavor, you know? Get it lovely and nice. Alright, so what I'm going to do, just throw black pepper on it. You guys gonna see the outcome. You know, it's gonna look nice and lovely. I don't wanna have you guys all here all day just looking what I'm doing. So I'm gonna get these all in the pot, wrap up back a little bit, set what's supposed to be set up. You don't wanna put too much oil in the pot because the pot already give off. The fat off of this gonna give off a lot of oil, so don't put too much in there. Coconut oil. A little bit, alright? Yeah. You want to get the pot hot, put the steaks in. You want little by little continue to do what we're doing. So just watch, check we out, and see what's going on, okay? You can hear the pot sizzling over there. That's what we want. Alright, we're back in a minute. Alright, look at that. Nice and lovely. Searing, perfect. You guys should be here to smell this. So nice. All the flavor in there coming together, you know, the rosemary's in there, the garlic, the escallion, you know what I say? I'm making those burn on the side so all the flavor is released into the oil, you know, and then I'm going to make them get crispy. I'm going to flip them over, you know, turn the flame down, let they sear slowly because I'm going to finish them in here to medium wear, you know what I'm saying? A lot of people in here don't eat, you know, mid-wear, medium and upward, but what I'm going to finish them, set them up, and then I'm going to finish them in the oven if they want them to cook a little bit more for their liking. But what we're going to do, we're going to keep it mid-wear to medium, okay? Let me check this here, it's ready to flip over. You don't want to burn it as well, you know, so. A little bit more. Yeah, this is all the spice right here, you know, getting color on it. A little bit more. I'll turn on the flame just a little bit so it doesn't burn too much, alright? Just like that. Alright, look at that. Perfectly sear on top. Let me see if I can zoom in a bit more. So you guys can get a better view of, of what it is. Alright. Perfectly sear, not burn, golden brown. That's how you want it, okay? Don't hurry, let me take your time and do what it does. Medium flame, then we're going to get into it. What I normally do, I normally sear all the sides as well, okay? And make sure the side get a properly seared. So all the fat off the side kind of burned off. But you know these have a lot of fat on the side. I normally flip it up like that, lean them on each other like that. To get a perfect sear on it, Just like that. Alright. Alright, yeah, next segment. What we do, we just take them out, sear them nicely, take them out. Now we have them a rest over there. Because you want to rest for a minute. Now we put back some same amount coconut oil, a little bit of grapeseed oil. And now we go put it in a nice same pot. But what I do, I rinse it out, clean out it. I didn't use any soap. I never normally use soap in these kind of metal. You don't want to clean it too deep, like scrape it, because you want to kind of have that kind of bottom where it make. From cooking in it, you make like a bottom on the bottom. With the oil and all that, so you want that to be in there. So, what we're going to do now, we're going to start sear off some potatoes. We smash them a little bit, put them in, make them sear. That is it. Yeah, smash them, put them in. Just like that. Smash them a little bit in the jar and make them sear. And I say you just want to make sure you wash them out with a little bit of oil and get it going, okay? Do not put no soap. Wash it out, put back a little bit of oil in there, and that's it. Alright? This smells real good. You can smell that. I'm going to turn the flames down on this one. You can smell that coconut oil, man. Real good. I put back a little bit of garlic and scallion in here, just to make sure, Just like that. And when these sear, I'm going to put the asparagus on top to get it where I want it to be, A little bit of salt. Seasoning up a little bit of salt. Alright, when we come back, we're going to get into that. I'm trying not to give you guys so much footage, okay? But the meat must rest for at least a minute, minute and a half, 5 minutes most, to rest the meat, So when you cut it, all the liquid don't seep out on the board. Alright, so asparagus simmer down. What I do, I turn off the stove, couple tomato. So they like tomato like that. You can check over here. Yeah, I have the potato roasted on the cutting board because I'm going to cut up everything on the cutting board and just, fan it right there on the cutting board and present it on the cutting board. So everything is almost ready. Tastes the train, nice, perfect, seasoned well. Look at that, nice. When we come back, we're going to get in, set up the presentation, little bit of that, to get into that, alright? Don't forget, tell a friend to tell a friend, check out the channel. And when I say love and respect, guidance and protection every time, no? Bless it. Alright, peep, yes, this is the final touch right here, yeah? Presentation and everything up, nice and lovely. Don't forget, tell a friend to tell a friend. Check out the channel, yeah? Cooking with Chef Bouka. We appreciate everything that you guys been doing. Appreciate everything that you guys are gonna do in the future. You know what I say? Make 2025 a much better year than this year, even though we give thanks for every day. You know what I say? Guidance, protection. You know what I say? Check me out on Instagram, Chef Bouka 119 Chef Bouka. You know what I say? Check me out on TikTok, Cooking with Chef Bouka. Blessing, guidance, protection, peace and love.